Good evening and welcome to another segment of 30Bored and Insomnia. It seems that spring will continue to elude and evade us as a storm of the century hovers over New York, bringing a standstill to everything we see. For more, we turn to fellow insomniac Richard on the streets. Richard? Richard? Richard?
Yes, I can hear you. The same can't be said about the visibility. New York, the once cultural and lifeblood of this area, has been brought to a silent standstill, as you can see, or not see, in the background.
Wow, that seems really interesting. Why do you think that is, Rich?
Well, Rich, it could very well be the snowstorm. It could also be that it's 3, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm extremely bored. One thing for certain is that this insomniac will certainly be shamelessly plugging his creativity as the snowstorm continues.
Well, thank you, Richard, for braving the elements. You are a true hero. We'll be sure to check in with you later as we continue to provide updates on this clearly tragic demonstration of global warming. I think. Sounds good.